Good morning, dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, today again we are going to see some different types of potato print painting. So students, in before two section, we saw different things. Like in the first section, we saw varley painting, watermelon and flower. In our next section, we saw flower, sun and a butterfly. Like this, students, in today's section, we are going to see different types of birds, fruit, and also we are going to see some smiley. These all the things we are going to do with the help of the potato. So students, now we will see what materials we will need for today's drawing. Okay, as you all know, for base we will need a pad, a drawing paper, colors, scale, pencil, brush, sketch pen. Students, you will also need a marker which is having top end like this. Color dish, bowls, knife, and most important are potatoes. Students, if you all don't have marker like this, you all can take some other pen or other thing which is having a circle like this. Okay, see, just like this. Students, so these are the materials which we will need for today's drawing. Okay, so now let us start with our today's lesson. So students, as we know, we will start our lesson with the margin from all the four sides. Now we will start drawing the margin from all the four sides. From 0 to 1 only we are going to take the centimeter. From all the four sides we are going to take the same centimeter. Done with your margin from all the four sides. Now it's time to write a topic name. And today our topic is potato print painting. Then student, yes, now it's time to cut a potato. For that you all can directly cut it on your pad or else take a newspaper on the top of your pad and then only cut the potato. And students, before also I told you all, if you all don't know to cut the potato, take help of your parents or take help of those people who can cut the potato. Now we will cut this potato in two parts. Okay. Just like this. So students, the first bird which we are going to make are chicks. Okay. So for chicks we will take yellow color and we will start directly applying it on the potato. But before applying color, I told you will remove all the moisture from the potato. Then only you will start applying the color on your potato. Okay, before that remove all the moisture and then start applying the color on the potato. With the help of your brush, apply color properly on all the side of the potato. Just like this. After applying color, take your potato and give its print on the drawing paper. And with the help of your hand, press it so the color will come out good on the paper. See, just like this. And if the color is not coming properly, with the help of the brush, we will correct it. Just like this. See students, with the help of the brush, I have filled the gap which were there in the color. Now from the same potato, I have cut in a small circle. This will be the head of the chick. Okay. Same way we are going to take the color and we are going to apply on the circle. Just like this. And before applying color, remove the moisture from the potato. And place the circle on the top of the bigger circle. Just like this. And with the help of your hand, press it so the color should come out properly. See students, like this only you have to do. This will be a chip, but we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. For that, before we will do some other thing. So students, as the color is getting dry, we will make a fruit. And the fruit which we are going to make is pineapple. So for pineapple, we are going to use the same color, yellow color. And this is the rest part from the potato which I have cut. Okay. The same way we are going to do, we will remove all the moisture from the potato. And with the help of the color, we will give its print. Okay. Start applying color on your potato. Okay. Now under the chick we are going to apply a potato color. Leave some gap under the chick because we are going to draw its leg, and on the top of the pineapple we are going to draw its leaves. With the help of your hand, press it properly. See students, and the gaps which are there, with the help of the brush we are going to fill it. The same way we are going to do again. So we will get other pineapple. If you all want, you all can make some orange color in this yellow color also. and with the help of your hand just press it. See students? Yes, and with the help of the brush we will fill the gaps in the between. Okay students, our check is done, our pineapple is done. Now we will keep them for drying. Now we will do smiley. Okay? Students, for smiley make sure you will remove the before color which was there on the potato. Then only you will apply the next color. Remove it properly so the two colors may not get mixed. Students, for smiling you all can take any color. I am going to take red color and blue color. You all can take any color which you all want. Wash your brush also properly, also your potato. Now start applying color on your potato. Start applying the red color on the potato. So we will get a smiley. Just like this. Now we will give this print on the paper, and with the help of your hand you will press it. See students, and if it's not, the color is not coming, with the help of the brush we will fix the color. Okay, now we are going to use other color. Now we are going to take blue color for other smiley. Okay, before that you will clean your potato properly. You all can take water and you all can clean, or else with the dry cloth also you all can clean it properly. See, now students, we are going to take blue color. With the help of your hand, press it. Students, if you all want, you all can take some other color also, or else you all can take the same color which I am taking. See students, here my full circle is not coming because my potato side is been cut. So with the help of the brush, I am going to fix it. See, just like this, and we will wait so our thing will get dry properly. After done with your print, make sure you will clean your potato, and also you will wash your brush. Now students, we will give a print of an owl. For owl, again I will take a red color. And I will clean the potato properly. I will remove its moisture. And then I will apply red color on my potato. Okay? Till that other things are getting dry. With the help of your brush, apply color properly on the potato. And give its print. With the help of your hand, you will press it. See students, and with the help of your brush, you will do it properly. Okay, we will give the same print again. Slowly remove the potato. See students, we got two shapes. Now we will, after it will get dry, we will turn it into the and out. Okay, but we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. After using the potato, again make sure that you clean your potato, because again we want to use it. See students, now we are going to make a penguin, and for penguin we are going to use black color and white color. Okay, again I am going to take a big size of potato and I am going to apply black color on it. With the help of the brush, I will spread the color on the potato. After applying the black color, we will give print of the potato on the paper. And slowly remove it. Okay? And with the help of the brush, we will give it a proper shape, just like this. Okay, now students, we will wait so our color should get dry, and after the black color will get dry, with the help of the white color we will give its other part. Till that we will give shape to other things. So students, first we will complete the cheek, because we have done the cheek first, so we will complete it. Okay, with the help of the sketch pen we will do it. Or else you all can take the help of the brush also. Done with a check. Now we will do a pineapple. Okay. Students, if you all want, here you all can use the brush also, or else you all can do it with the sketch pen also. And students, if you all want, with the help of this yellow sketch pen, you all can show lines between the just like this. Now students, we will give face to a smiley also. Okay, you all can do any face which you all want to do. If you all want, you all can do the same design or same face, or you all can do some other face also. Now students, here we are going to use a marker. Okay, with the help of the upper lid, we are going to show the eyes of the owls. Okay, and again we are going to use yellow color for it. See students, like this only you will show the other eye. Students, if your color is not coming good with the help of the marker, you all can directly use your brush also for showing the eye. Just like this. Now students, we will show its ears, nose and its leg. Okay. For nose I am going to use green color. Just like this. And for ears I'm going to use black color. And for leg also I'm going to use black color. And from here we are going to show its wing like this. And after yellow color will get dry, we will show its eye. See students, our owl is also ready. Now we will do a penguin. See students, I have given a black border to a owl also. Now we will complete a penguin. And for penguin down part I am going to use white color. Okay? Apply it properly. And give its print on the black part. Just from the down part, okay? Like this. And with the help of your hand, secure it. Done. Slowly remove it. See, we got a white patch on a black patch. Yes. If it's light, with the help of the brush we will color it little bit. Done this much. Now we will show its eye. And for eye we are going to use white color only. With the help of the white color we are going to show its eye. Just like this from the both the side. And we will wait for some time so our black white color will get dry. As a white color will get dry, we will show its inside eye also. See students, with the help of a potato, we did so many things like this. For your homework, you will do any different designs. You all can do a bird, smileys, anything of fruit, vegetables, and you will send your homework. When you will send your homework, you will write your full name, your standard, your division, and your roll number. Thank you.